We all must have heard the word Balkanization. So today let us understand what is Balkanization and let us know what are the Balkan countries. The Balkans is a geographical region in southern Eastern Europe with a rich and complex history. The term Balkans comes from the Balkan mountains that stretch from the Serbian-Bulgarian border to the Black Sea. The term was first used in a geographical context, but gradually it gained broader recognition. The countries that are typically considered to be the part of Balkans include Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Romania, Serbia, Slovenia and Turkey, the European part, mostly around Istanbul. The region is known for its ethnic, cultural and religious diversity. It has been influenced by various civilizations, including the Roman, the Byzantine, the Ottoman and the Austro-Hungarian empires. Before 1918, the region was under the control of various empires, including the Ottoman and the Austro-Hungarian empires. In 1918, the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes was formed, merging several Balkan territories. However, in 1929, it was renamed as the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. After World War II, Yugoslavia became the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia under Josip Broz Tito or Josip Broz Tito, uniting 6 republics and 2 autonomous provinces. Then after the fall of communism and the breakup of Yugoslavia in the early 1990s, Balkanization emerged to describe the fragmentation of a region into smaller, often hostile entities. That is why with increasing divide in India, you could see a lot of people using the word Balkanization as a reference. Today, Balkans is a well-established term that encompasses the countries in the region, both those that were a part of Yugoslavia and those that were not. It refers to the geographical, cultural and historical region in southern East Europe